Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to show you guys my first ever garden bed that I did. It's a raised garden bed using 2x6s and using planter wall blocks. But before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar so you know when I upload a new video. Alright, let's get into it. This is where we decided to do our actual raised garden bed. This is where we get most of the sun. The thing says that we should be getting about maybe 6 hours of sun for our garden, so this would be perfect. It's also pretty close to the fire pit, if you guys can see it too. So we wanted to be close to the fire pit so that everybody could enjoy the actual flower bed. Alright you guys, so I have my Roby tiller ready. I am super excited about it. It's my very first time. Again, this is where we're going to do it. It's going to be an 8 feet by 4 feet long raised garden. New Roby tiller. Again, I got this from Home Depot. It was $245, so a little expensive, but it's fine. Let's see if it works.
But sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you.
Alright you guys, so I already, I guess, made my very first boo-boo. So I guess it's called tilling the grass. The grass actually looks pretty good, if you guys can see it right here. However, it got stuck on one of the corner stones, and this is the safety pin that keeps the blades on so they don't like fly off. This is what happened. This right here. It got attached, somehow got stuck on one of the stones and bent it. So just don't do what I just did. Gonna do another inch and a half or so. So I'm just trying to get as many roots up as possible, so when I lay the gardening soil down and mix it in with the actual soil that's right here, it'll do better hopefully. But I'm just trying to get as many roots up as possible since there's a lot of tree roots all over the place. But I gotta fix this first before I can tiller anything else.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. But sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown.
Alright you guys, so it's day 2 of me doing the garden. I came home back from work today and it was really, really hot, and I forgot to move my plants out of direct sun. And this is my dill and this is my cilantro. So I'm hoping that if I put them in the ground and water them, they'll start to like come back to life. I don't want to lose them. I'm hoping I can save them. I was doing so well and I'm trying really hard not to get discouraged.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time.
So right here what you see is sweet basil. Then you have hot peppers. I put all the hot peppers together. So this is hot pepper right here. This is jalapeno. This is cherry tomato. Both of these are two different types of cherry tomatoes. Cilantro. My dill. Two are struggling right now, so I'm hoping to bring them back to life. And then these are my cucumbers that are coming in. So I separated them. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe. Also give this video a big thumbs up. I am a first-time gardener. When I was younger, my mom had a garden. So I'm really, really hoping that this is successful. It's a new hobby. I've never done it before. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can keep deer and bunnies out, those are the two animals that we get quite often. I'm just needing some help on how to keep my vegetable garden from one, not being eaten, two, not die. And if you guys have any questions, I will link all the information down below on what I purchased. Again, we're still putting all the vegetables in here. Nick needs to put hers in there too. This is a team effort, so I'm super excited about it. But thanks so much, you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.